Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to go through another topic. Will not be a really specific video on some technical thing like I used to, or a trade breakdown. I want to teach you how to improve you as a trader. Okay, improve your confidence to be able to have more chance to succeed in this complex field. Okay, so what I mean with build confidence. Build confidence, I think that's is about to be more sure. Okay, about be more sure of what weapon we have. Okay, so for example, if I do my morning analysis, I know that, for example, I take an example of what I used to. For example, I have a poor low on a session. I know that it's likely to be taken. So, for example, let's say this low. Okay, I'm here. Okay, let's say that this part of the chart doesn't exist. I say, okay, I can expect maybe SFP, maybe taking this zone and then looking for these lows. Okay, and yeah, in this way you can build statistics on any tool. I want to do some example with you. I have a lot of statistics, and I really want you guys to do that because it will help a lot, especially if you are a beginner. It will help you to boost your confidence and to be more prepared when you have to face the market. So yeah, for example, with TPO, what you can do with the TPO, really easy. With TPO, you can look for poor low, poor highs, the day of the week. So for example, take the last 2 years of data of the TPO and start to accumulating data in an Excel sheet, and you can do a table, yeah. For example, I want to show you. Let's try to do something with you. For example, here I create a new new sheet. Let's say that you want to, let's call this TPO. Okay. Here you put the day of the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, it doesn't care, I don't trade personally during the weekend, but if you want, you can also put the weekend inside. So yeah, everything, Friday. And then you can write here, poor, low, poor, high. And you will remember that you have to put down there total, not here, sorry. You can put here total, so you will have the total of the poor low, total of the poor high. You can take the total or the total per day, so put the number down there and then go look for how many poor lows, how many poor highs have been formed during the week, and which is the day that has most chance to take the low or to don't take that low. Okay. You can do it for the TPO, for the poor low, for the poor highs. You can do it for the tails. Tails are basically, it's big. Yeah, this is a tail, for example. A lot of one single block, one block. And generally, the price came back in the tail. It is a buy tail to take some liquidity and go away. You can do it for the single print. Single print is when you have basically a fair value gap. Okay, fair value gap, what I call fair value gap. Yeah, I lost all my doesn't it's good. So yeah, you can do also for the single print. Single print as a fair value gap. If you go on higher time frame, 1 hour, no, not here, sorry. Here, if you go to 1 hour, for example, you can have here we have a side here. This example, look here how perfectly has been filled. These are all single print. Okay, come here, partial fill, come back again, total fill, and go away. You can build statistics also on that. I personally, another uh, tool that I use to build statistics is also the sessions. So not just TPO, daily TPO, but also session TPO. For example, how likely is to have the London session to be the low of the day? From my statistic is really rare unless you have a really big strong reaction with high volume. It's unlikely that London put a low during the day. It's more likely that do that the Sydney session or the New York session. Or for example, if London is contained inside Asia, is likely to have a fake out and then reverse. That's my personal favorite pattern to trade. And then build statistic, because you know when you will have that type of situation in the market, you know that you have, for example, I don't know, 30, 40 situation where you have already seen in the past that this pattern works, maybe 80, 70% of the time is a really good percentage, and you have an advantage, you have an edge on the market. So I want to you put these things that I've said, and also on other things. I also on volume. You can build statistic on volume. On the Excel chart part, I don't have personally still done a lot of statistic. But on every tool that you like to use, build statistic, because you need to be confident and try to improve be the confidence. I think is one of the most important things for a trader, because when you are in front of the market, you have to be sure about the things that you know. Okay, so more things that you are certain of, and higher are the chance to succeed. So yeah, that's it for today. Short video, not long, not 10 plus minutes as I used to do. And yeah, let me know if you want any other video on any topic, or some trade breakdown. I will do for sure some of it. I'm not trading a lot because, as you can see, the price action of Bitcoin has been quite annoying in the last week and a half, ranging. Now we have breakout, but yeah, now in Italy are 6 and past, and tomorrow is Friday, so unlikely to have a lot of volatility. So I think that we will come back in the range and do nothing. I'm not a range trader, so yeah. Let me know, and see you guys in the next video.